Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Pop Century, and guess what? The lobby's done. So they have finished doing the lobby, and we'll start at the desk. First off, I took a section desk out, made a sitting area here, which is great if you're waiting for your room. And then the counter, check-in counter is totally different. Remember, these had the sections with the pictures. Now they have kind of the cool sayings, like cool, that was that. Then there's a section of the desk, and the section of the desk got a little bit, the other section says Groovy, and then it says Neato. Obviously, catchphrases from different decades that this represents. But what totally changed is they took out the shadow boxes and they put in a mural. So the shadow boxes have like things from the decades that Pop Century captured. So this obviously is the 90s. And you have Donald and all the cell phones, because that's when they first wireless came out. There's the 80s, Pluto and all the video games. There's Groovy in the 70s. Lava lamps and roller skating. And then the 60s with Daisy being the hippie and all the flower power and the glasses, right? But now there's one where we gotta turn a corner here. And obviously we're missing one key player, and that's Minnie Mouse. And this is the 50s. Now you have the big cars and the mural, and you have Minnie in her big bow, which she always has, and her dress and her leather sweater. So guys, the lobby's done, and they did a really, really nice job. It's much more open, much more kind of bright, lighter, doesn't feel as dated. They did a really nice job on it. So, Florida Parks After Dark, something to come see. You guys take care.